Hey, welcome to Love Live Save. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can stock up on some of the essential items that you need for your household to make your life a lot easier and not pay full price for them and save a bunch of money. These are all deals that you can do this Saturday, April 8th at Dollar General. If you enjoy the deals, do me a huge favor, hit the thumbs up like button. It goes a long way to help support my channel. And leave me a comment down below and let me know which was your favorite deal, or if you have any couponing questions, feel free to leave them down there. I always respond to all of my comments. Also, I wanted to let you know about my Patreon page. Often I write so many couponing deals that I don't have enough time to post them to all of my social media platforms like here on YouTube. But I post them all over my Patreon page as a easy to download PDF file that you can either download on your phone or print off. It makes going to the store super easy come couponing Saturday. If you're interested, it's a small fee to help support my work, and I have all the information linked down below. So starting off with deal number one, we're going to stock up on some disinfecting products. Grab 2 bottles of Palmolive dish soap, 1 bottle of Lysol laundry sanitizer, and if you've never tried this product, it's an absolutely big must in my household whenever there's cooties in the house, because you just gotta try it. Then grab 1 tub of Lysol wipes, 2 bottles of Lysol all-purpose cleaner, and 1 Febreze plug-in. After all coupons, the total out-of-pocket comes down to just $14.20 plus tax, or a 45% off savings. Next up, we're going to stock up on some dish cleaning products. For deal number 2, by the way, grab 3 bags of Finish Quantum dishwasher tablets, the ones that are $4.45 this week, 2 bottles of Ajax dish soap, and 1 Swiffer duster starter kit. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes all the way down to just $11.10 plus tax, which makes for a 59% off savings. This is hands down probably one of my favorite deals in this video. For our third couponing deal, grab 1 box of Crest toothpaste, 1 2-count pack of Oral-B toothbrushes, 2 boxes of the 2-pack Colgate Total toothpaste, 1 box of Colgate Optic White toothpaste, and 1 Airwick plug-in. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes all the way down to just $8.20 plus tax, which makes for a 69% off savings. What an awesome opportunity to stock up on toothpaste for your stockpile. For our fourth deal, grab 1 bottle of Finish Jet Dry Cleaner, 2 bags of those Finish Quantum dishwasher tablets, 2 of these Scrub Mommy sponges. If you've never tried these things are amazing. And by the way, when they wear out, you can go on the Scrub Daddy website and they have a recycling program where they'll give you dollars off your next purchase, which is super cool. And then grab 2 bottles of Ajax dish soap. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $12.10 plus tax, or a 54% off savings. Last year, there were so many times that I went to the store and saw that the feminine care product aisle was so bare and so many things were sold out. So I want to teach you guys to stockpile things like this if it's something that you need, so that you always have it on hand and you don't have to worry about going to the store and them being sold out. So for our fifth deal, grab 1 box of Crest 3D Brilliance toothpaste, 1 bottle of Dove body wash, love that coupon by the way, 1 box of Always Infinity pads, and then 2 packs of the Airwick Essential Mist refills. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $14 even plus tax, which makes for a 57% off savings. And of course, the star of my essential items deal list is hands down toilet paper, because we are never going back to 2020 where there was no toilet paper to be seen and people are selling. We're not doing it. We're not doing it. We're going to build a stockpile and we're going to save a bunch of money at it. So for our sixth deal, grab 1 of the Airwick Essential Mist starter kits, 1 6-count pack of Angel Soft Ultra toilet paper, and 2 bottles of Mr. Clean Clean Freak sprays. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $12.75 plus tax, which makes for a 56% off savings. For deal number 7, we're going to stock up on paper towels, because in my household, we are always out. I don't know what it is, but I'm building my paper towel stockpile because I'm sick of being out. Leave a comment down below if you are also like me and you're always out of paper towels, so I don't feel so alone. So for this deal, grab 2 bottles of Lysol all-purpose sprays, one 6-count pack of Bounty Essentials paper towels, one bottle of Pine Sol cleaner, one bottle of Gain fabric softener, one of the smaller size bottles of Gain fireworks, and then one bottle of Gain laundry detergent. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $16.70 plus tax, which makes for a 44% off savings. Moving on to deal number 8, grab 2 Axe deodorants, 1 bottle of Dove body wash, 2 bottles of Tresemme shampoo, and 1 Febreze small spaces. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.70 plus tax, which makes for a 58% off savings. For deal number 9, we're going to stock up on diapers. Grab 2 bottles of Head & Shoulders shampoos, 1 pack of Huggies diapers, 1 bottle of Nivea lotion, which is an awesome lotion by the way, and then 1 box of Crest toothpaste. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $14.60 plus tax, which makes for a 48% off savings. And of course, we never pay full price for toothpaste, right? Right. We do not pay full price for toothpaste. It is one of the easiest things to coupon. So in deal number 10, grab 2 boxes of Colgate Optic White Pro toothpaste, 2 boxes of the 2-count Colgate Total toothpaste, and 1 box of Crest toothpaste. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $10.85 plus tax, which makes for a 61% off savings. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope you got a lot of value from it. One of my favorite things to coupon and teach people how to coupon is these essential items so that you never run out of the most important things for your household. If you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell as well. That way, when I post any of my future couponing deal videos, of which this week I have a bunch of them, so you're not going to want to miss out, or when I do one of my live couponing chats, you'll receive a notification and you won't miss out. And I will see you in the next video.